Today I am going to make an arch support using silicone, 100% silicone all-purpose, and cornstarch. I make it earlier for the left foot, and this is a wedge to insert into my arch, and it's dry really fast. So I am going to start with a 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 pumps of silicone. And the tip that I cut is only the regular small tip, about average size tip, 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. And the smell is really strong. Smell like vinegar. It's about this ball, like a sesame ball. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to put it, okay, and put it in here, in this wrap. And then I'm going to push it into my arch. And there it is, my wedge, my arch support wedge. So, open it for it to dry. Here is my wedge. Put it like this. Fold it. Put on your feet. Put on your foot. Then push it in. Like my other arch is right here. Let's see. So, let's wait 5 minutes maybe. Not even 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Here it is. So I have one piece right here. And the other piece right here. So now I am going to attach it. I did. The silicone, glue it in very well. It stay. On this one I didn't wrap it. This one I wrap it with the fabric. And here you can see the silicone. It stay very well.